Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you my new Etsy product release. This is a spring theme release and also kind of some Easter. So the first thing that I've got for you is this pillow box here. So it has like a nice cute heart embellishment up here that you could technically, hang up or also just as a fun embellishment, and is a pillow box, so you can put little goodies inside. I've just decorated it up like this. I am using my Bash Your Stash kit for all of my products that I'm making. So I've got this flourish word here with this really cute little hot air balloon. I'm loving hot air balloons lately, and I just wanted to make it look kind of really gold, and I'm getting into using purple a lot more, which I really like because, as you can see, I've got a lot of purple jewelry, so purple is definitely a colour that I love to use. So here's the pillow box. Then next, as always, I have to have a memory dex because that's how I started out my Etsy store. So this is a bunny memory dex. So I actually kind of utilized the SVG a little bit differently. So it's a bunny memory dex, and then also I have a bunny shaker, which I paired the two together. So the shaker is like this, and I didn't do foam for this shaker. I just glued it straight together, and it kind of is allowing the sequins to stay in a spot and not fall down. So I'm liking doing shakers like this. So I used a mixture of the Garden Party collection and then also the Sweet Story collection, so Sunshine and Smiles. I think I really enjoyed making this release because I'm using colors and products that I haven't really used before. So I love this bunny one, and I wanted to make her look a little bit like a girl, so I put a little bow on her head. So I really like this one. So this is two files together. It's the bunny memory dex and then also the bunny shaker. So it looks like this. So you get obviously the backing piece, the acetate, and then the layering piece. And you also get this word here which says "Some Bunny Loves You." So I just used, this one is from Sweet Story, Garden Party, and also Fresh Bouquet. The little bunny is from Fresh Bouquet, so I really like this one, and I used this bead here from my pen pal Louise, and I wanted some texture. I also stitched on the glitter to add a little bit of extra just detail, and I really like how this one turns out. So like I said, this is the bunny shaker available in my Etsy store. I really like this one. I think it's so different from things that I normally craft, so it's really cool to kind of expand what I've been making. This wheelbarrow, so you can obviously, it being SVGs, you can use them and make them kind of anything you want. So because this is a spring release, I went with a whole bunch of flowers and leaves, but you can also do, you could do a Christmas one and put like a little Christmas tree in there. You could do a Halloween themed one and put like, those tiny little bones that you find in the Dollar Tree. We don't have those here in Australia, obviously, because Halloween's not as much of a thing, but there's lots of ways you can customize this, and I decided to make it spring, so I used just a wood grain paper for like the metal pieces and then a darker pink for the accents. So I love how this turned out. I think it looks so cool. Because I obviously use flowers, it's really chunky, but it looks so cool. And being SVGs, size it big, size it small. I think I want to use this as a layout one day. So kind of with the photo, I probably will end up doing that. So I love this one. It looks so cute. This little basket. So obviously these are a lot more spring themed, new growth, all of that. But you can customize these to whoever you want. So you could use this as like a picnic basket, but I went with just some nice florals. And then I also used this Hope word, which is the word set that I have for this spring release. So I really like this one. So you get the layering piece and then the backing pieces on there. So it looks so cute. I really like these. I want to make heaps of them. The word set that I have this release. So there's flowers everywhere. This is the first one. Then Garden Party. Spring, Life in Bloom, Easter Fun, Some Bunny Loves You, and then also we have the hope that was on this one here, and then also I have another word that's on the other one, so it is in total 8 words in total. And then I have some bag topper sets. So the first one is just a simple bag topper set, so it looks like this, and this is where I use that 8th word, which is sunshine. This is a bow die from online, so what you're getting is the bag topper with the layering piece, and I've just decorated up like this to show you an example of how you could create this. And I think the beauty with using SVGs and also, you know, simple sets is that you can use them for a variety of collections. So I've obviously gone very spring garden party here, but I could remake this exact same thing with a Christmas collection and it would look entirely different. So I love SVGs for that. And I also added a little bit of tulle down the bottom just for some texture. So this one looks so cute. And then just to kind of show you how this would work. Okay, so let's pretend you've got your product package up. So, you know, it could be Happy Mail like what I utilize SVGs for, but it could be, you know, products that you sell yourself. Then you get your bag topper and you simply attach it like this. And I designed these ones so that they could hang, so that, you know, if you had a in-person store, you could hang it up. So that is what it would look like assembled on top of something. You would obviously glue it on, but I'm not going to glue it on for this one. But that is what it would look like. So really cute, really fun, and just a nice way to package up Happy Mail, but then also if you sell products yourself. Then I also have another bag topper. So this one is a double bow bag topper. So you get the bow pieces and then also the bag topper itself. And this is how I have decorated it up. So I did stitch the flowers, but then, you know, you attach it again onto your product or your Happy Mail, however you're sending it. And it has the ability to hang up. So they look so cute. I really love these. And I've just packaged them up simply, and you can redecorate them however you want. So the next one is a simple heart one. Now I wouldn't use this on this piece of packaging, but just to give you an example. So this is a heart one. I use these for sequins mixes fairly regularly, and I also size them up for bigger products. So it's just a heart one like this. You get the backing piece and the wrong way. There's not a wrong way. I did just stitch the front so I knew what my front would be. So there's, you know, the layering piece and then the backing piece. So it looks so good. And then with the little hanging piece. Thank you guys for watching my new spring release with the Easter theme. I'm so proud of all these products. I hope you can go check them out on my Etsy store. The link is down below. And I am running a sale on my new products and also my whole store. So the sale, you don't need a coupon. The sale is just on the store automatically. So go and check it out. And let me know in the comments if you like these products and any ideas you have for future products I could design. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!